Pandas join issue, columns overlap but no suffix specified. I have the following data frames. When I try to join these data frames, I get the error. Why is this so? The data frames do have common MUKI values.
Your error on the snippet of data you posted is a little cryptic in that because there are no common values, the join operation fails because the values don't overlap. It requires you to supply a suffix for the left and right hand side. Merge works because it doesn't have this restriction. The dot join a function is using the index of the past as argument dataset, so you should use set_index or use dot merge function instead. Please find the two examples that should work in your case. Or
this error indicates that the two tables have one or more column names that have the same column name. The error message translates to, I can see the same column in both tables, but you haven't told me to rename either one before bringing them into the same table. You either want to delete one of the columns before bringing it in from the other on using del_df column name, or use L suffix to rewrite the original column, or resuffix to rename the one that is being brought in.
Mainly join is used exclusively to join based on the index, not on the attribute names, so change the attributes names in two different data frames, then try to join, they will be joined, else this error is raised.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.